In a video last week, I posted that I thought Dogecoin was in trouble with a possible negative 14% move incoming, but Elon Musk had other ideas, pumping the price of Dogecoin 32%. And today I'm going to be talking to you about what's going on, why this happened, and what we can be expecting next. Let's dive into it. First things first, let's talk about what happened. And before we get started, does anybody see anything weird about this page? We're on Twitter. By the way, follow us on Twitter at Trade Confident. We'd love to see you there. The weird thing right now, the Twitter logo turned into a Dogecoin. So Elon Musk is a pretty big proponent of Dogecoin. He even actually has a lawsuit against them, like over $1 billion lawsuit for pumping and dumping the price of Dogecoin. And today he decided that they were going to change the icon here and actually the loading screen of Twitter to Doge. There isn't much information now as to why this is happening. You can see right here, Dogecoin to the moon, hashtag cryptocurrencies, all that kind of stuff is trending right now. And that is the reason that we saw that major pump to the upside this morning. So there's still speculation going on right now of why this actually happened, why the new icon is Dogecoin. And one of the biggest speculations right now is that we're actually going to be able to do Dogecoin payments through Twitter. This is like kind of like a tipping system, or like tipping your favorite content creator, sending some Dogecoin their way. That's the biggest theory as to why this happened. And if so, Dogecoin is going to see a lot more circulation in the market. Twitter is a massive, massive platform. And if even a fraction of their users begin using Dogecoin for that purpose, it's going to be crazy. And of course, there's tons of memes going on right now. Just the hashtag Dogecoin to the moon is really fun to watch. But essentially, that's what happened. Again, Dogecoin is the new icon, at least temporarily, for Twitter. And with that, we know that fundamentals are what caused this massive pump in the market. It actually reached above 10 cents and at that point rejected that structural resistance for a move back down. Although at this point, I gotta say, I don't think we can really use technical analysis. This sell signal was invalidated after Elon Musk decided to post that, because we see this gigantic candle. Previously, if this did not happen, we saw a sell signal with price versus well money flow decently high, trend exhaustion was decently high, and this actually could have been a solid indication for a move back down. However, Elon works in mysterious ways, and we may be finding out in the near future as to why this actually happened. But I wanted to provide you guys with an update, because honestly, there is a lot of comments on this video here. There's a lot of them. I'm not going to go over them, but it's been a while since we got 37 comments. So honestly, we appreciate you guys interacting. So I just wanted to provide you with this update. At this point, it's going to be very difficult to predict, and I'm not actually going to give any major price predictions other than we should be watching structure supports at this point. I don't expect this to move up like crazy unless Elon Musk is going to be causing any more troubles. If Elon Musk on Twitter does actually say some crazy stuff, if it is announced officially that Twitter is accepting Dogecoin, that's very likely going to see a giant spike. So honestly, the main indicator you should be watching for Dogecoin is Elon Musk's Twitter page. I will say at this point, price versus well money flow is very high. Trend exhaustion is in its top red territory. This is typically an indication of a move down, especially after we see a giant pump like we did today. So I'm not surprised to be seeing the price moving down at this point. Maintaining the structure support with multiple touches right about this level at 9.361 cents. If it drops below that, I wouldn't be shocked to test 7.907 cents. However, again, this is the wild, wild west for crypto, and we're quite literally at the mercy of Elon Musk. So with that, we'd really appreciate if you follow us on Twitter. You're going to get a bunch of crypto insight that we don't even always post on the Telegram service. Not financial advice, but it's probably a good idea to follow Elon Musk and Dogecoin right here on Twitter. This will be a great way to see. And I mean, you can even see right here, like that's an old photo. You can see Twitter's ID and now it's Dogecoin. Posting memes as he usually is. Not financial advice, but this could be helpful to catch Dogecoin pumps and dumps. As things even out a little bit more, I would highly recommend purchasing these three indicators. They're amazing in a trending market. No indicator can predict crazy stuff like what happened today, but as we get back into regulated, more trending markets, these indicators absolutely crush. And if you want to grab them, you can find them at the links down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page where you can get up to $400 off. And the way you're going to do that is purchase the bundle pack first. And this includes the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and 7 other indicators. It'll also include the $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, bringing the price of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators down to cheaper than just the TC top and bottom finder alone. And no matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at btradeconfident tradeconfident@gmail.com. Keep an eye on structure support at 9.361 cents and 7.907 cents. Keep an eye on the tradeconfident.io Twitter page, and it could be a good idea to follow Elon Musk and Dogecoin on Twitter as well. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.